We all know that payments sit at one of the most critical, yet most under-resourced points in the business. No matter how big your company is, there is likely just one or two people overseeing the entire payment flow to protect and increase business revenue. This forces payment leaders like you to learn on the fly how to be strategists, negotiators, detectives and firefighters all at once. And all these responsibilities bring a huge backlog of tasks to do just to keep the lights on, preventing you from focusing on the most impactful initiatives. So we asked ourselves, what if we could give you this time back? What if the data and expertise Primer has built over the years could be amplified by generative AI, giving you the capacity of 100 teammates? And what if Primer could surface recommendations and take action, allowing you to go after the opportunities you never had the bandwidth to chase? That's exactly why we built the world's first AI companion for payments. This is the next chapter of the platform we've been building from day one. We are on a mission to empower you to get the most out of your payments, and we're uniquely positioned to do so. See, every year, billions of dollars worth of transactions flow through Primer, spanning geographies, industries, and processors, but also card networks, issuers, and payment methods. That breadth of data gives us a perspective no single merchant could ever have on their own, which is what makes a Primer payment worth so much more than any other payment. To build this AI companion, we took all of this data and then combined it with years of working side by side with merchants on their toughest challenges to create a solution that truly understands your payments and your objectives. Now Primer supports you the way a true teammate would. It's constantly monitoring your payments to catch anomalies, inefficiencies, and untapped opportunities. It offers recommendations that fit your goals and constraints. And once you're ready, it turns ideas into action with your approval. Okay, let's take a look at what it's like to work with your AI companion. For this demo, I'm stepping into the shoes of a payments leader who wants to roll out network tokens to boost their authorization rate and reduce payment fees. Last year, we released our processor-agnostic network token solution. This was the first time merchants had a no-code interface to roll out their tokens across all their processors and monitor performance in real time. The feedback we received was fantastic. That being said, this amount of control requires merchants to plan their rollout, execute it, and analyze the results. Now, all of that changes. Using our data and expertise, you can save valuable time by delegating this rollout to your AI teammate. I'm here on the Network Token Hub of the Primer dashboard, and I'm immediately welcomed by my AI companion. Although I'm not currently live with Primer network tokens, my companion has not been idling. It has analyzed my data to recommend a clear rollout strategy. Here, it suggests I start by allocating 10% of traffic to network tokens for one day to make sure everything works, before considering an A/B test for a few more days to get enough data to do a fair comparison. This is incredible. Preparing this sort of plan of action usually requires a lot of expertise, confidence, and time that payment teams don't always have. One critical thing to understand is that my companion is only making a suggestion here. We are building this solution with safety in mind so that you, the payments leader, can remain in complete control. But to speed things up, you can give your AI companion a one-time permission to make the necessary changes. Simply click Execute, review the changes, and your AI companion will set everything up for you. But if you believe you made a mistake, you can just click on Revert. It's really that simple. And what's most crucial is that at every step of the process, you remain in a driver's seat. Okay, let's fast forward a few days to check in on what's happening with the rollout. We're back in the Network Token Hub, and you can see my AI companion has prepared a detailed report summarizing the results and recommending what to do next. And just like before, you remain in charge. You can review the options or do things your own way. This is amazing. Instead of spending hours analyzing data scattered across all your processes, you can now just spend 1 minute reviewing a report. Now, what if you want to challenge how your companion interpreted the data, or you want additional details? In that case, your companion is always one click away to answer any of your questions, whether it's on the current page or anything else about your payment. For instance, Which country has the lowest performance with network tokens? As you can see, our AI companion can answer this sort of complex question quickly and accurately. Primer's AI companion introduces a paradigm shift for payment leaders, enabling them to focus on what truly matters while remaining in the driver's seat. That being said, this can only work if your AI companion can earn your trust. We take trust and privacy concerns extremely seriously, and this was built from the ground up with your business safety in mind. Your companion cannot make any changes without your permission. This is not a black box. You can always see what it did and the reasons behind the recommendations, and your data is never accessible by other merchants. We can't wait to see what you achieve with your AI companion once it's in your hands.